Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we explain useful tech tools in simple words. Today we are going to talk about something a little different and very interesting. It is a tool called Outlier AI. If you have ever worked with data, reports or dashboards, you know it can be hard to find what's going wrong and what's the really important in all those numbers. That's where Outlier AI comes in. This tool is designed to help you find anomalies or we can say unexpected changes in your business data. But is it really helpful? How does it work? Should you use it for your business or not? That's exactly what we are going to cover in this video. And remember, the description below has all the official link and up-to-date details in case anything changes later. So don't forget to check that out after watching this video. Alright, let's get started. So basically, what is Outlier? So first thing, let's understand what is Outlier AI actually. In a very simple word, Outlier AI is a tool that automatically checks your business data every day and finds anything unusual, strange, or important that you should know about. For example, maybe your sales dropped suddenly in one city, or maybe your website traffic increased a lot on one page. Outlier AI will find that and tell you even if you didn't know where to look. Normally, people need to check Excel sheets or dashboard and look for problems manually. But with Outlier AI, the system does that work for you using artificial intelligence. It looks at your Google Analytics, Shopify, Facebook ads, Excel, or any other data sources you connect, and it sends you daily reports with the important changes or outliers. This is really helpful because you don't have to sit all day checking data. It saves time and you can catch problem or opportunities faster. And the best part is you don't need to know coding or be a data expert to use it. Now let's talk about how it works. Outlier AI connects with many platforms. Some common ones are Google Sheet, Google Analytics, Shopify, Facebook ads, and other business tools. Once you connect your data, it starts analyzing automatically. Every day it gives you short and easy to understand stories or alerts you that can explain what changed and why it might matter. For example, it might say sales dropped by 22% in California yesterday compared to the previous 7 days. Or it can say you a new product page got 50% more views than usual. This makes your decision making easier because you know where to focus. Outlier AI is useful for marketing teams, sales management team, e-commerce business, product manager, and even CEOs who want a fast summary without digging into data. If you run an online store or digital service and you get a lot of data every day, this tool helps you to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. But if your business is small and you don't have too many customer or data points, it might not be that useful because the power of Outlier really comes when you have a lot of data to watch and you don't want to miss anything important. Now let's be honest, no tool is perfect. One downside is the Outlier AI is not free. It's made for business, so they have custom pricing based on your needs. You will probably have to talk to their sales team to get a plan, and that can be a little slow or complicated for small teams who just want to quick sign up. Also, it doesn't show full dashboard like traditional tools. Some users still prefer to use Google Lookout Studio or Tableau for deeper visual dashboards, and then use Outlier on top of that for alerts and summaries. So it's not meant to replace all your data tools, but it can be powerful add-on that can make your data smarter and easier to understand. So should you use Outlier AI? If your business deals with a large amount of data and you want to save time, get alerts and make a better decision faster, then Outlier AI is a great tool to try. It's like having a smart assistant that reads your data for you and tells you when something important happens. But if you are just starting out or don't have much data yet, in that case you can stick with the free dashboard or manual checks until your business grow. As always, I have added the official website link and the most updated information in the description below. So make sure to check that out after watching this video, and if you want to try it out, check the description. So if this video helped you to understand Outlier AI better, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more helpful and honest tech videos like this.